Whether you've been a practicing vegan for a while now or have recently decided to follow a plant-based diet, know that just like any diet, there are healthy as well as unhealthy ways to go about nourishing yourself on a vegan meal plan. In this video, we outline everything you need to know about vegan nutrition as well as some healthy vegan meal plans for weight loss or weight management. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with Vegan Cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. What's the difference between vegan and plant-based? Before we venture into the plant-astic world of foods to avoid, as well as include, on your vegan meal plan for weight loss, it's important to understand the distinction between being vegan and eating a plant-based diet. While being vegan does mean consuming plant-based foods, following a plant-based diet doesn't necessarily mean you're vegan. Plant-based nutrition isn't just anchored in wholesome plant foods such as fruits, veggies, legumes, grains, and nuts, but is also the elimination of all kinds of animal products and byproducts from your diet. Plant-based eating is one of many parts of a vegan lifestyle. Embracing veganism goes beyond just what we eat but also rejects the consumption and use of any goods, clothes, cosmetics, furnishings, etc., originating from or tested on animals. Vegan meal plan and weight loss. Now we've got that all cleared up, let's tackle the nuts and bolts of following a vegan diet. If you're watching this, then we can safely assume you're looking to tweak your eating habits to lose weight or manage your current weight in a satisfying, sustainable way with some vegan menu ideas. Studies show that cutting down on the consumption of animal products and introducing more fresh fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and whole grains, which are key ingredients in a vegan meal plan, goes a long way to reduce the chances of developing conditions such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. A vegan meal plan can also help support any weight loss efforts. A balanced, nutrient-packed vegan diet is rich in fibrous foods that will satiate you, keep bad cholesterol in check, and have your metabolism humming like a well-oiled engine. When going vegan, it's important to incorporate more plant-based protein into your diet and sometimes supplement your vitamin B12 levels, which have a tendency to be low in an unbalanced vegan meal plan. Vegan meal plan grocery list. To maintain optimal health and vitality when on a vegan meal plan, aim to select fresh, seasonal, locally sourced, unprocessed, and organic foods if they are available to you. Here are recommended key ingredients to add to your healthy vegan meal plan grocery list. Number 1. Whole grains. Brown rice and oats not only keep you satiated for longer than their processed equivalents but are also a great source of iron. Ezekiel bread is a nutritional all-arounder, made from several types of grains, including sprouted whole grains, and is chock full of fiber. You might also want to give Coach Jen's healthy bread recipe a go. Millet, amaranth, barley, and farro will keep you full, minimize spikes in blood sugar, as well as add more variety to your nutritional intake. When it comes to weight loss or weight management, make sure to eat whole grains in moderation. Number 2. Vegetables. Butternut squash and sweet potato are rich in calcium, so no need to worry about ditching dairy products. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are part of the cruciferous family and are cancer-fighting superheroes. Green leafy vegetables like kale, collard greens, and spinach will boost your iron levels, and if you eat them with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, vitamin C will accelerate your iron absorption. Number 3. Legumes, beans, lentils, and soy. Legumes are the foundation of any well-rounded vegan meal plan. They deliver enough plant-based protein to keep your metabolism running, your muscles strong, and your cravings at bay so you don't feel the need to grab any processed treats when hunger strikes. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and soy milk are foods that benefit your weight management efforts the most when consumed in their unprocessed and unsweetened forms. Bloating isn't always weight-related and can be an unpleasant side effect at first if you're unaccustomed to eating legumes. Fear not, this subsided after a while, but in the meantime here are some handy hints to combat the bloat. Number 4. Healthy fats. Olive oil and avocado both have high levels of vitamin E, which is excellent for your skin health, as well as high levels of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Walnuts, chia and flaxseed, ground flaxseed is best, are high in plant-based omega-3 oils, an anti-inflammatory that helps your body release excess water or toxins. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which protects the lining of your gut, preventing nutrients from seeping through and the development of food sensitivities. Number 5. Nuts, nut butters, and milks. Walnuts, peanuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios and hazelnuts, as well as their nut butter variants, aren't only delicious but are also handy snacks to take on the go. Their high protein and calcium levels will keep you satiated, and you won't need much else to satisfy hunger pangs. Calcium-fortified plant milk such as soy, almond, and rice milk are particularly nourishing. Why not try making your own homemade almond milk or cashew cheese? If you aren't already making your own nut butter or milk from scratch, then be sure to read the ingredient list when purchasing store-bought products. Avoid any added sugars and hydrogenated oils. Rule of thumb: if you can't pronounce an ingredient, don't buy it. Number 6. Berries, apples, and bananas. Berries are free radical fighters, protecting you from inflammation and cancer, as well as helping your skin stay supple and young-looking. Bananas are a key ingredient in a lot of vegan meal plan baking and sweetening. Though high in soluble fiber, it's best to be mindful how much you eat, as bananas are still high in sugar. Apples contain pectin, which feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, and a healthy gut leads to a healthy weight. Though there is a wide range of wonderful fruit to choose from, the ones featured above are our favorites as part of a vegan meal plan for weight loss and are also easily available. Insulin is an important factor in weight management. Keep your blood sugar levels from spiking and crashing dramatically by choosing fresh fruit over dried fruit and pairing fruit with a protein like nuts or seeds. Number 7. Vegan sources of protein. Vegan meal plans are tailored to fuel your weight loss and fitness efforts in a sustainable and wholesome way. We achieve this by making sure you get a high-protein vegan meal plan that energizes your body and mind. Here is a list of essential plant-based proteins to include in your vegan meal plan grocery list. Unprocessed soy products. Legumes. Peas. Quinoa. Buckwheat. Seitan. Nori seaweed. Nutritional yeast, which is also packed with energy-boosting B12. Foods to avoid on a vegan diet. Processed faux meats like vegan meats, for example sausages, burgers, or tofurkey. Sweetened dairy alternatives. Vegan baked goods or sweets. Note: just because it's vegan doesn't mean it's healthy. Fried foods. Sauces like tomato ketchup, salad dressings, vegan mayonnaise, stir-fry flavorings. Refined sugars. Agave syrup. Agave is commonly used in vegan baking, but is extremely high on the glycemic index and can lead to spikes in blood sugar. When eating out at a restaurant, be aware that dishes tend to be highly salted, sauced, and more oily than when prepared at home. Don't be shy and ask for sauce or dressings on the side. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.